great. Gutters are all on side. Lights are there. Cute little porch. Cute little brick porch. All right. This one is a 4-2. All right, 4-2. We have a family room, kitchen there. On this hallway, we're gonna have 2 of the guest bedrooms. All right, it's a 4-2.
Oh, freak.
Ooh, I love that show, Miss Maya. Right. This is her bedroom. She's already claimed it. Nobody gets this one.
Freak, come on. Hey, this is my room.
This is your room. Mm-hmm. I know you did. Mommy told me you did. Okay. Great 4-2. Great 4-2. I notice it has a hardwood-like tile throughout, and then it has carpet in the bedrooms. All right, notice the gray cabinets that we saw in the bathroom. This is a gas community. Nice gray cabinets. This builder, they had several color cabinets to choose from. So this is what she wanted. Great. Great pantry. And then here is going to be the owner's retreat. Okay. Has a garden tub and shower. Great garden tub. Dual sinks. Again, it's going to be that same gray. Right. The shower door is going to come here in another. The shower door is going to come here a little bit later, right? Right. Backyard for little Missy to enjoy life. Really nice backyard. In the about the mid-3s when we contracted last winter. This community is now sold out. At some time they may have a spec or 2 to come back on the market, and so now this one would probably be in the high 300s now, because they have had some price increases.